He's here. Pintu? Hey, Pintu boy. You sit here because I'm just putting water for my birds, See? Okay, good boy. Good boy, Pintu. He's just all the time with me. And this is a wild bird, He's from the crow family, the big bird. And so he comes every evening, whole day he's calling out, sits there. Okay, good boy. He's talking to me, sitting here over the fence. It's dark outside, see? Then he'll come outside my window. I'm just changing the water of the birds and all. So he'll wait and he'll look at me from the window. Yeah? Sharing with you. Hello, Pintu. He'll look at me from the window. I'm just doing this, just sorting all this out. Hello, Pintu. There is the window. There is waits over there. Pintu? You see the shining there? He's there outside that window. Good boy, Pintu. Good boy. He's fluttering over there. Good boy, Pintu. Mama come tomorrow, huh? Go and sleep now. Get. He's watching me. See. Okay, good boy. Good boy, my Pintu. Go now. I'm doing work, no? Feeding the birdie. You go to sleep. Mama loves you, no? She gave you food today. Tomorrow I come and give you, okay? I give you mom, okay? Okay. Good boy. Goodbye, Pintu. I'm busy now, okay? Bye, Pintu. Sharing with you, love, friends. Love from Pintu, huh? Bye.